So what's the biggest reason to get a Kindle? Well, I'd say it's the tremendous battery life. Kindles last for weeks or months on a single charge, unlike your phone, which probably dies within a day. So it's really nice not having to charge all the time. You've also got perfect visibility in sunlight. I've got this thing just sitting here during direct sunlight, and it's totally visible. And I can even write notes on it if I really wanted to. So just like that. So yep, notes, just like that. The screen technology is called Eink. It works by physically moving ink particles around. So it's kind of like a Marauder's map from Harry Potter. And basically, you just turn the page and then all the ink particles move and reassemble into the letters. So it's really nice. It only uses energy when these ink particles are moving. So if you're looking at a static page, it doesn't use any energy, unlike a normal phone, which is always using energy and always refreshing the screen. And honestly, it just looks like paper. So if you're a big fan of like reading paper books or magazines or whatever, and you feel like after a long day at work or something and your eyes are tired of looking at screens, but you are totally fine looking at paper books, then maybe a Kindle is a really good option for you. You've also got no distractions on when you're using a Kindle, because obviously the screen technology is really slow, so don't expect to be like looking at your TikTok or your YouTube shorts. You're just focused on your books, and you can just like really lose yourself in the reading. Over here I'm reading Sherlock Holmes, but yeah, this is like the best reading experience, and you've also got tons of options for adjusting how it looks like. You can change the font, you got Bookerly, and all these other fonts. I personally prefer Amazon Ember Bold 2, but Bookerly is also a pretty common one, and you can also adjust the boldness as much as you want. You can adjust the boldness as much as you want. You can adjust the size as much as you want. So you might even say that it's even better than a paper book, since you can adjust all these things to make it look better. You can even adjust the margins. You can adjust the alignment, adjust the spacing, you can even go horizontal if you really want to. And you can even go 2 columns if you really, really want to, but I don't usually like that. So let's go back to portrait mode. But yeah, this is just really nice. Kindles are also pretty cheap. They're a lot cheaper than iPads, honestly. If you're using it in the dark, you can also have a front light. You can also turn on the front light, and it looks really nice. You probably can't see it in direct sunlight because it's pretty subtle. But yeah. And once you've decided that you like reading on this type of technology, on an ink screen, maybe one day you'll eventually even get an Eink Android tablet. So this is the Hisense A9. I have videos on this on my channel myself, but you can also use all your favorite Android apps and such. Probably the best one is to go texting and stuff. Go use your messenger and stuff. But yeah, pretty good. But overall, a Kindle is better for dedicated reading and such. So I really recommend your first e-ink device to be a Kindle. And once you really like it and it can accept the limitations, then you can go ahead and try to get an Android tablet as well. But yep, if you like this sort of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.